Okay, I'm going to show you how to apply the rod decal tape here. I've cut it to length. It comes on a 12-inch piece or so, and you cut it to length. It's just cutting off one edge here. And you're going to remove the backing. Clean your hands real good so you don't get the sticky back contaminated. It has an adhesive built onto it. It's a waterproof adhesive, works very well. And all you really need to do this is a razor blade and clean hands. So I'm peeling the backing off now. Got the backing peeled off. I'm going to come down, I'm going to get a straight line. And you want to find the bottom of the rod and start this off somewhere on the bottom so that you're on the bottom edge of it. And I'm going to lay this up here on top. And I'm going to put this down. Get it as straight as I can possibly get it. I'm following a light line. I'm going to run my finger down the darn thing. And now I'm just going to pick it up. And I'm going to continue to run my finger over top of it. I'm pushing all the little air bubbles out as I go. I don't want to see any wrinkles or anything. If you get a wrinkle, pick the edge back up, get it straight again, and until you get her overlapped. I'm going to continue. I'm looking to go over this edge right there, so I got a little ways to go yet. I usually start in the middle and work my way both directions. It makes it a little easier to get rid of if I have any wrinkles. Okay, I've gone over top of it now. So the next part is I have to get a clean razor blade. I got a brand new fresh razor blade here. I'm going to open this up. And this is where it's kind of important is I kind of pick this up until I get this straight again. And then I'm just going to take this edge of this razor blade. I'm going to stick it on there. I'm going to get it started. I'm just going to run right down the foil to the other end. And then I'm going to take and run that crease. And there we have it.